In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create columns in Google Docs. If you want your document to look more organized, more like a newsletter, or simply easier to read, using columns can be a great option. Google Docs makes this process very simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to turn a section of text into columns in just a few clicks. First, go to your Google Doc and open the document you want to edit. Make sure you're inside the correct file before making any changes. This is where you'll apply the column formatting. Next, click on and highlight the paragraph you want to turn into two columns. This part is important because selecting the text first tells Google Docs exactly where you want the formatting to be applied. If you only want one specific paragraph or section in columns, be careful to highlight just that part and not the entire document. Taking a second to double-check your selection can save you from having to undo formatting later. Once your paragraph is highlighted, move to the top menu and click on Format. This menu contains many of the text and layout tools available in Google Docs, including the column feature. After clicking Format, hover over the columns option. When you do this, another menu will appear, showing the available column layouts. This is where you can preview the different ways your text can be arranged. Now click on one of the three options. You'll see a single column layout, a two-column layout, and a three-column layout. If your goal is to split your paragraph into two columns, choose the middle option. As soon as you click it, Google Docs will apply that layout to the highlighted text. That's it. Your selected paragraph will now appear in columns. If the text doesn't look quite the way you expected, you can reselect it and choose a different column option. For example, if two columns feel too narrow, you might prefer a single column again, or if you're working on a more designed layout, three columns may fit better. A useful tip is to keep readability in mind. Columns work best when the text section is long enough to benefit from being split up. Very short paragraphs can sometimes look awkward in multiple columns, so it helps to preview the result and make sure it improves the layout. And that's how to create columns in Google Docs. Once you know where to find the setting, it's a quick and easy formatting tool you can use anytime.